a moment, I'm going to hypnotize you to uncover and rewire the very thing that has been blocking your manifestations. Now, if you're driving or if you need your full attention right now, just keep on scrolling, save this for later. But before we begin, just remember, all hypnosis is self-hypnosis. So if you fully allow yourself to have this experience, it can be super incredibly powerful for you. To get started, allow your eyes to close down now and take a deep breath in. Fill your lungs, hold it there at the top, and on the exhale, think to yourself, relax. One more time, deep breath in, and on that exhale, think the word relax. And allow your eyes to rest comfortably closed, and bring all of your attention to your eyelids. And as you do, you can feel them becoming very heavy. It's as if a soft, heavy, weighted blanket has just been placed over your eyelids, causing them to feel so relaxed. Feel as if they're sealed down, tightly closed. Imagine as if those eyelids are so heavy, it's as if they simply will not work. Now, I'd like you to just pretend that if you try to open your eyelids, you find that they simply will not work. You find that those eyelids are so heavy that they simply will not work for now. Just let go of all effort and go deeper within. Now, in your mind's eye, I want you to think about, or sense that you've just stepped into a calm and quiet room. And in the center of this room, you see a desk and a computer. The computer of your subconscious mind, which holds all of your old programs and beliefs. As you approach, you notice that this computer, it's picked up a few viruses, the very blocks that have been slowing and blocking your manifestations. Begin running a full system scan, and your subconscious mind knows exactly what to do. Trust what comes up for you. One by one, the blocks appear like files. Fear of failure, hit delete. Unworthiness, self-doubt, scarcity. Each time one comes up, hit the delete button. Deleting it once and for all for good. Delete. Delete, wiping away anything that no longer serves you. As the last block clears, the screen now becomes blank, fresh, open, ready for new programming. Now I want you to begin to type in exactly what you choose to create. I receive wealth and abundance with ease. I am worthy of massive success. Opportunities flow to me daily. Whatever it is that you need, program it in there, lock it in, right here, right now. It is safe for me to receive. Feel these new programs fully locked in, fully installed, and activated. So moving forward, you naturally draw in success, the success that you're ready for. Fully programmed, fully aligned, fully open. Now I'll be bringing you back to your full and regular waking consciousness. And when I do, you'll notice something has shifted, quietly but powerfully. Number 1, coming back more and more now to the sound of my voice. Number 2, you feel lighter, clearer. 3, positive energy coursing through your entire body. 4, fully refreshed. You remember this entire session. 5, eyes open, fully awake, and back here now to your full and regular waking consciousness. Welcome, welcome back. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what came up for you. What did you release? And if you enjoyed this, just know this is only just a taste. The work that I do with my clients goes much deeper than this. If you're curious about how hypnotherapy can help you to level up, click the link in my bio, book a free strategy call, and don't forget to like and follow for more content just like this. I'll see you in the next one.